In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung TV black screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you have a black screen, but you can still hear audio or it's just completely frozen. What it might be is just a very simple glitch. It doesn't mean your TV is entirely broken. So while you have the black screen, what you want to do is go over to the back and literally wherever you have the TV plug, go ahead and switch it off and then unplug your TV entirely. Then what you got to do is not through the remote, but the actual Samsung TV, like the physical buttons, all you want to do is hold the power button for about 30 more seconds. And then while you're holding it, then just, plug your TV back in to it and then switch it on. And then you should see the Samsung logo appear after a while. Once you see it appear, that's it. It should be working fine now, and then you should be good to go. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.